Have you ever wondered if you could actually clean your arteries simply by changing what's on your plate? Imagine waking up every day knowing your heart is stronger, your blood flows freer, and you're doing everything you can to protect yourself and your loved ones from a heart attack. Today, I'm sharing the top 7 foods that science says can help clean your arteries and support a healthier heart. And trust me, number 1 might just surprise you. Let's dive right in with number 7, avocados. Not only are they creamy and delicious, avocados are loaded with healthy fats that lower bad cholesterol and raise the good. Just half an avocado a day can make a real difference. Number 6, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and help prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. Grab a handful as a snack or toss them on your morning oatmeal. Coming in at number 5, fatty fish. Think salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Rich in omega-3s, they help decrease blood pressure and keep your arteries flexible. Aim for 2 servings a week. Your heart will thank you. Number 4 is extra special, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard me. Look for chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. The flavonoids inside help your blood vessels relax and fight off artery damage. Just keep your portions in check. Number 3, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard aren't just for salads. They're full of nitrates that support healthy blood vessels and lower blood pressure naturally. Try adding a handful to your smoothies or soups. Number 2, olive oil. Good old olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It reduces cholesterol and helps prevent those nasty blockages in your arteries. Swap it in for butter or margarine whenever you can. And finally, drumroll please, number 1, walnuts. Just a handful of walnuts every day can lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve artery function. It's a simple habit that can change your life. So, which of these heart-healthy foods will you add to your next meal? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, every small change matters, because your heart deserves it. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself and your loved ones.